What is up, guys? My name is Oleg, this is Bond. Welcome back to the channel. So I'm going on a little holiday for about a week. I'm going to Toronto and to Montreal. Now I'm only gonna bring 3 watches with me, and I thought I'd make a video and share the 3 watches that I'm bringing with me for this trip. So let's get started. We've been planning this trip for a while now. Actually, one of the reasons why we're going on a trip is because of Canadian Grand Prix, which is happening in Montreal on June 9th. So first we're going to Toronto and then Montreal. Now, if you watched the channel for a while now, you know that I recently purchased one of my Grail watches, and it's an Omega Speedmaster reduced automatic version. And we are going to the Formula 1 Grand Prix. So no surprise that the very first watch out of the 3 that I'm bringing is my Omega Speedmaster. I am a believer in building great memories with special watches in your collection. Now, clearly this watch here is a special watch for me. So I'm excited to bring it with me on this trip, build even more great memories with it. And I think it's just the perfect watch from all the watches, at least in my collection, to bring to a Formula 1 Grand Prix. Because originally Speedmasters were racing watches, and of course chronographs are strongly associated with racing. So that's the first watch that I'm bringing on this trip. The second watch I'm bringing is a Zillas Horizon GMT. I recently did a review of this watch and I really liked it. Now, the reason why I'm bringing this watch is not only because it's a GMT watch and a GMT function is very useful for when you travel, but I'm also bringing it because I really like the look of this watch, and I think it will go really nicely with the Speedmaster that I'm already bringing. Now, the Speedmaster is of course a sports watch, and so is this GMT, but I have it paired with the suede blue strap from cheapnatostraps.com, and I think it makes the watch look a little bit more elegant, so it'll be perfect for when we go out for dinner. Now, of course, the Speedmaster could do the same job, and I don't actually need to bring both of these watches on the trip. But as watch collectors, we don't always make the most rational decisions. We make decisions that are emotional. So I felt like bringing both of these watches would be a great pairing for the trip. And the third watch I'm bringing is my vintage Seiko Panda Chronograph. I bought this watch at the flea market a while back. I actually did a full review of this watch. That video can be found on the channel. I will also link it in the description below. Now, the reason why I'm bringing this watch is because when I travel to a new city, I like to take a run or a jog around the city. It's a great way to explore the city. So it was between this watch, the Vostok Komandirsky, and my G-Shock. I felt like this one here fit this trip best, and I just felt like bringing this little Seiko. I haven't worn it much lately, so I'm excited to wear it around Toronto and to wear it around Montreal. So that's it. Those are the 3 watches I'm bringing on this trip: the Omega Speedmaster, the Zillas Horizon GMT, and my little vintage Seiko Chronograph. I appreciate you watching this video until the end. Please leave a comment in the comment section below. Let me know any fun things to do or cool watch shops to check out while I'm in Toronto and while I'm in Montreal. By the way, today on my wrist I'm wearing a Jeanneau Ocean Rover. Of course, I did a full review of this watch. That video can be found on the channel. I'll also link it in the description below. Also in the description below, there is a secret link. Have a look if you're curious. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you had fun, and I'll see you guys next time.